Happy Math Day! Happy Friday, third grade. I hope you had fun with Mrs. Evans and I's Bible that we just finished with Resurrection Day. We're so excited. Now, we normally would be out there picking our Easter eggs, playing our games at our resurrection party. So I thought for math today, we'll have fun. I tried to draw some Easter themed pictures. So we're going to play Giant Step. And then we're going to play Speedy Sam, which we haven't played since we started online. I'll have to teach you the rules again if you forgot. And then Around the World, okay? So you're technically always trying to beat me, Mrs. Roach. But if you have a brother or sister or someone, maybe your mom or dad, that you want to try and beat, they can play with us too today just to make it fun, all right? Okay, so we've got my Easter basket full of all my flashcards. So I am going to pull out our multiplication ones first for Giant Step. Now remember with Giant Step, you're going to stand back as far as you can from the television or your computer or your iPad, whatever you're standing at, but you need to be able to see the cards, so not too far. And if you get it right, you're going to take a step forward. If you get it right again, another step forward, another right. And if you can touch the screen, touch me, then you won, okay? And then go back and see how many times you can do it because we'll play a few rounds, all right? So I'm going to flip the card. If you say the answer before me, take a step. If I beat you, stay where you are. Okay, here we go. 24. 6 times 4, 24. 36. 24. 16. Am I going too fast? 22. 12. Did anyone already touch me? Did you already make it? If you're beating me, you should be taking steps forward. Okay, I'm staying put. Okay, you're trying to get to me. All right, here we go. Next one. 42. 24. I just had that one. 48. 6 times 8 is great 48. 45. 8. 64. Remember that one? 48. I hope you're beating me. Did you make it up yet? Who's made it twice already? All right, let's keep going. Okay, I'm gonna go a little faster. 18. 88. 60. 20. 63. Am I beating anybody? Are you beating me? Okay, now I'm gonna go medium speed here. 44. Did you beat me? 70. 54. That was a hard one. 6 times 9 is 54. 45. 56. 96. Anybody beat me? 32. Are you taking steps every time? How close are you getting? Or is your brother or sister playing with you, your mom or dad? If you can beat them, you win. Okay, let's do fast speed again. Ready? Here we go. 49. 21. 18. 144. Ooh, that was a hard one. 16. 33. 9. 24. 36. 24. 16. 22. 12. 42. Ooh, I was going really fast. Okay, medium speed again. 24. 48. 45. 8. Everyone better beat me on that one. 64. Okay, guys, ready for our second game? All right, reaching in my basket. I've got, Roman numerals. Actually, let's do, let's do around the world for this. So you're beating me. If you want to do it like four corners and go this corner. If you get it right, go to the next corner. If you get it right, go across, go to this corner. If you get that right, go back to this corner. Okay, you can try, see if you can get four in a row to beat me. If I beat you, you stay in the one corner. Okay, all right, here we go. Let's do a warm up with our easy ones. Okay, all right. 1,000. Anyone beat me? 100. C is 100. 500. 10. 50. 1. Anyone beat me? Oh, there's one more. 5. All right. Okay, now the challenging ones. Here we go. Trying to beat me. Go around your house maybe. Or not your whole house, but around the room. Okay, here we go. 8. Let me stand a little closer on these. 25. 90. Anyone beat me? 10 from 100 is 90. 37. 2,090. Here it is, guys. 2,090. So this is my 2,000. X is 10 away from 100. 10 minus 100. 10 from 100 is 90. Okay. Oops. 3,011. Who beat me? 9. 23. Okay, now I'm going to do medium speed. Okay, so I'll give you a little bit more think time if you need it. 27. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. 2,020. 53. 50, 51, 52, 53. 56. Okay, now I'm going to go lightning speed, faster. So if you've been getting them right, see if you can beat me now. 2,400. 2,011. 215. 4. 255. 3,500. 8. 25. Was I going too fast there? Did anybody beat me? Okay. All right. Next game is the game we haven't played in a while, Speedy Sam. Now, the way Speedy Sam goes, I don't even know if I'm calling it the right name, actually, but we're calling it Speedy Sam today. I'm going to give you, well, let's see. Some of these are 3, some of these are 4. Oh, no, this is the easy one. Well, let's do a warm-up one. These will be the easy ones to warm up. Basically, we're doing mental math. You're still trying to beat me, but we're doing it in our head instead of paper. So the first one is 3 plus 2 plus 7 equals. So the way you're doing it is 3 plus 2. Okay, what's 3 plus 2? 5. What's 5 plus 7? 12. As soon as I say equals, you can say the answer. Okay, so if I went 3 plus 2 plus 7 equals 12. Okay, but I'm not going to go that fast. I'm going to go a little slower. Okay, so this is the warm-up. Okay, 9 minus 4, got it, plus 6 equals 11. Did anyone beat me? Okay, let's do another one. 7 plus 3 plus 3 equals 13. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, one more easy one, then we're going to do a little trickier. 2 plus 6 minus 5 equals 3. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, so those ones were kind of easy. Let's do, now I'm going to mix in some multiplication here. Okay, ready? 4 plus 4 times 8 equals 64. Anyone beat me? 4 plus 4 was 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, let's do another one. Ooh, this is a trickier one. 12 minus 7 times 8 equals 40. 12 minus 7 was 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, let's do another one. 6 plus 3 times 8 equals 72. Okay, here's one's a little bit easier. 2 times 2, 2 plus 2, well, same thing. 2 plus 2 times 8 equals 32. Good job. Ooh, it's a challenging one. 24 minus 14 times 8 equals 80. So 24 minus 14 is 10, and then 10 times 8 is 80. Okay, 5 plus 2 times 8 equals 56. Okay, lightning speed for those kids who are getting these right. Are you ready? Okay, and I'm adding a fourth number. So lightning speed and an extra number. Now this isn't for everyone, but this is if you've been beating me every single time. If you've been having a hard time with this, you can maybe write it on paper. You can slow it down, maybe push pause as soon as I say equals so you can see if you can figure it out. Okay, here we go. 5 times 4 plus 6 plus 10 equals 36. Did anyone get that? Okay, let's do another one. 8 minus 5 times 9 minus 2 divided by 5 equals 5. Anyone get it? Ooh, these are hard. Okay, 8 plus 8 plus 8 minus 10 divided by 7 equals 2. Ooh, these are hard. Okay, another one. 12 minus 9 times 7 plus 6 divided by 3 equals 9. Woo! Okay, if you like this, if this is fun for you, when we get back to school or you need to tell me on the calls, I can do some of these orally with you over the phone because this is a fun game. I'm going to put it in my my little box. I have all my flashcards in, and when I go home, I can get these and do these with you too. Okay? All right, we're playing one last game, and it is with our measurements. Okay? So let's see. We've done all 3 of these. What haven't we done that would be fun to do? How about, ooh, I just thought of one. Well, I wonder if it'd be too hard. What if we did code breaker? Or secret code. So I'm going to show you 3 cards, and you have to give me all 3 answers after the 3 cards. I don't know if that's too hard. Let's try. Okay, ready? How many quarts in a gallon? Got that answer? It's the first one. Think of what this answer is. How many inches in a yard? And then say it on this one, okay? How many centimeters in a meter? 436, 100. Is that too hard? 100 centimeters in a meter, 36 inches in a yard, and 4 quarts in a gallon. I think that might be too hard with this, huh? We do secret code more with the multiplication because then it's just one number you're memorizing. Okay, let's just do regular, try to beat Miss Roach, okay? Around the world or giant step, you decide. Okay, here we go. 1,000. Kilo, 1,000. 2,200. Anybody get it? 1,760. Ooh, that's a hard one. How many yards in a mile? 1,760. Okay. Pounds in a ton? 2,000. Pecks in a bushel? 4. How many things in a dozen? 12. How many pints in a quart? 2. Years in a decade? Deck? 10. Inches in a foot? 12. Years in a century, 100. How many weeks in a year? About 52. Okay, I'm going to go medium speed now. How many feet in a mile? 5,280. How many ounces in a pound? 16. Hours in a day? 24. Quarts in a peck? 8. Feet in a yard? 3. Quarts in a gallon? 4. Okay, now I'm going to do faster speed. Here we go. Centimeters in a meter, 100. Inches in a yard, 36. Days in a week, 7. Grams in a kilogram, 1,000. Pounds in a ton, 2,200. Yards in a mile, 1,760. Pounds in a ton, 2,000. Pecks in a bushel, 4. Things in a dozen, 12. Pints in a quart, 2. Years in a decade, 10. Inches in a foot, 12. All right, guys. I hope that was fun. Better than having to do a whole paper again today, right, guys? All right. So if you haven't done language yet, I've got something similar with language. This is a different game, so you'll get to do that next. And then I'm going to be Zoom calling you this afternoon. So I emailed all of your parents last night. You should have the link, and also I'll text it to you guys if I text directly to you. So I'll send you that same link. It's actually a different link than last time, but it's same thing where you just click on it and it should open up. But we'll kind of have a fun Friday and Zoom call, so it should be a fun time. But I'm gonna miss you guys. I won't be able to call you, or I won't have any videos next week. Although if you're doing some work and you want to give me a text, I'm sure I'll be available for you. Okay, guys? But no videos and no math or language in your workbooks for next week. So that's nice. You really get a spring break. I know it's like you're home, but you're still having to do all this work. Next week, I just want you to relax, go in your backyard, take a walk outside, stay 6 feet away from everybody. We're doing our social distancing, but get some fresh air and just relax your brain. If you fell behind on any of the papers and you want to catch up over the week, that is a great idea. So if you had issues, I know some people were moving and some people had sick family members and different situations going on. So if you need next week to catch up and you need my help, give me a text and I will be sure to help you. All right, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day and I will see you at Zoom. All right, bye, guys.